A very good evening to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to your science class. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. So, in this situation, you need to be at home and study hard. So, this is Seema in front of you, and today I'm going to cover the topic, the exercise questions of the chapter insects. Hope you all enjoy my earlier videos of the same topic, insect. The first part was the structure of the insects parts of the body. The second part was the explanation of what do insect eat and how they do breed. Now this is the third part, and in this I will explain all the exercise questions. So children, watch this interesting video till end to know about these all answers. So let's start. Okay, so this is your exercise questions. From here it is starting. Okay, now so children, this is the first section question. This is the objective in which each questions have four options, in which only one is correct. So all insects have, there is the four options: 6 legs and 2 feelers, 6 legs and 4 feelers, 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings, 6 legs and 4 pairs of wings. So the correct option is 6 legs and 2 feelers, because all insects have a maximum 2 feelers, not more than 2, and this is not possible for all kind of insects. So this is true for all kinds of insects. So the correct options will be 6 legs and 2 feelers. Now come to the second number question. Okay, the second question is, the body of an insect is divided into 3 parts. The first, it is head. The second, it is thorax. The medium one, that is called thorax, and the last one, the largest part of the body, that is abdomen. Okay, now the third question is, all insect, you have to choose that option which is correct for all insect, not only for some exceptions. So what is the options? Give birth to young ones. Obviously all insects give birth to young ones, but how? They lay eggs, or some of them are mammals, so that you have to think. Have wings. So all insect doesn't have wings, it is not necessary. Suck nectar. All insect not suck nectar. Okay, so your correct option is lay eggs. So this is the correct option. Now the question number 4 is, insect breathe through. So insect breathe through, there is the 4 options, with the help of tiny holes on the body, skin, lungs and gills. So we humans breathe with the help of lungs. Fish breathe with the help of gills. Frog in water, they use their moist skin to breathe, and this is for insects. So option 1, it is the correct for this question number 4, tiny holes on the body. Okay, now the question number 5, the ladybird, beetle and the dragonfly are, so they are useful insect. Why they are useful insect? So you can see your page number. Let me show you why they are useful insect, dragonflies and which one was ladybird. So dragonflies feed on mosquito, and mosquito, obviously we don't like mosquito. Why? Because they suck human blood. So that's why obviously if they eat mosquito, then they are useful for us. And ladybird feed on insect that damage plants. So obviously this is also useful insect. So now this section it is over. So useful insects. So what is the option for question number 2? Head, thorax and abdomen, and it is in the same sequence. All insect lay eggs. Insect breathe through tiny holes on the body. Okay, now see the section number 2 question. Level the parts of the body of an ant. Okay, so you can see here the last one, it is what? It is abdomen. So right here A B D O M E N. You can see the spelling of abdomen, ABDOMEN. See, this is in pair. What is in pair? It's leg. Leg. Okay, this up one, that is called thorax. Thorax, that is thorax. That this upper two antennas, what it is called, it is feelers, as we feel with our skin. So how this insect feel the things with the help of this antenna, that is called feelers. Okay, that up one, it is showing on the head, that is its eye, EYEI. And the last one, it is what? Head, HEAD. Okay, so this is all the answers for section 2. Okay, now come to the section number 3. This is the statement question, and for this I have prepared PPT. So let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, see, this is chapter 5, insect questions. So the first question is, list the different body parts of an insect. So what it will be the answer? Here capital T should be here. Okay, the body of an insect is divided into 3 parts. The first part, it is called head. The second part, it is called thorax, and the third part, it is called abdomen. Okay, the largest part of the body, it is what? Abdomen. Now the second question is, how do feelers help an insect? So the feeler help an insect to smell and feel the things. In humans, which organ we use to smell? Which body part? Of nose we use to smell, and skin, with the help of skin we can feel. Okay, what do dragonflies eat? As I have already shown you in the textbook, dragonflies feed on mosquitoes. That's why they are useful insect for us. Okay, question number 4. Name any 2 useful insect. Dragonflies and ladybird beetles are useful insect. Why they are useful? Already I told. Dragonflies I will not repeat. For ladybird beetle, because they feed on insect that damage plants. So obviously these both are useful for us. Now the next last question is of one sentence is, name 3 insects that you have seen. I have seen so many colorful butterflies and I love to see it. Okay, the next, it is a spider, and the third, it is caterpillar. Okay, I have just forget one. No, not in this. Okay, yes, caterpillar. 3 insect, it is caterpillar. Okay, the now come to the section number 4. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. Wait. Okay, now come to the section number 4 questions. The first question is, write about the food habit of insects with example. So I have wrote down so many insects and their eating habits. So insect, first letter should be capital. Okay, so insects such as moth, butterflies and bees feed on nectar. Mosquitoes suck the blood of humans, being and the other animals, so that's why obviously dragonflies, why we say this dragonflies that is useful to us, because they feed on mosquitoes. Dragonflies, what they eat? They feed on mosquitoes. Ladybird beetle feed on insect that damage plants, so obviously they are also useful. Dung beetles feed on animal dung and keep our surrounding clean, so this is also useful insect. Termites eat the root of the plant, that is not useful for us. Okay, now come to the next page. Okay, one more here. Termites eat the root of the plant. Oh, here I have not deleted. Okay, the next, it is flies and cockroaches feed on all kinds of things, and they spread disease because they sit on dirt and here and there, so they spread these all diseases. Okay, now the second question is, how do insects breathe? So how they breathe? Insects have tiny holes, that is called spiracles, spiracles on their bodies, and they take in air through spiracles, and the air enters the fine tubes and reaches every part of the body. So this is the way that they breathe. I have explained this in the video also, so you should watch, because I have I have shown I have explained these all things with the help of image, so you must watch that video for this. Okay, the next third number question is, how do termites kill plants? So termites eat the root of the plant, and once the roots are damaged, the plant dies. In this way, the termites kill plant and they feed on wood. Okay, so it is also completed. Now let's see if some more question is there. So section number 3 over, section 4 over. Okay, so higher order thinking skill question is also here. So let's see what is the question. Think and answer. Praying mantis is an insect. Yes. Does it give birth to young ones or lay eggs? They lay eggs. Okay, they lay eggs. Okay, and the next question is, how many legs and pillars does it have? Oh, wait 1 minute, I am showing you the pic. Okay, praying mantis, let me show you. I am having the pic. Let me show their number of legs. How many legs does it have? Where is, yeah, find it. Okay, so this is what, this is lady wood beetle. This is what is Sashin bugs. This is green lacewing. You can see it's less. And this is the question. It is which one? Praying mantises. Okay, so here you can see they have 2 feelers and 2 pair of leg, means total 4 legs. Okay, total 4 legs and 1 pair of feelers, means 2 feelers and 4 legs. Okay, now come to the question again. Insect. Yeah, now I think you understood how many legs and feelers it have. Okay, do you think the color of grasshopper is helpful in protecting it from birds that feed on them? Obviously, because the grass color is also green, and if grasshopper color will also will it is green, so obviously it will helpful for grasshopper, because nobody can find that there is an insect if it is of the same color. Okay, I think now you understood these all things, so you should do activities on question is also here, worksheet question also here. Do you want to let me complete this worksheet questions also? Okay, let's see. And this project, what you have to do, just plot the color here and just keep the second flap on the first, so the color will come in that part also. And the study of insects, that is called entomology. The study of insect, that is called entomology. And who discovered this wall? Let me see the name. William Fairbairn. Okay, now see the next page. Okay, see, the first question is, which is the largest group of animals? So largest group of animals, it is dinosaur, toads, insect, birds. So which one is the correct option? Insect. Okay, let me I'll confirm you. Okay, so see the first page in the chapter insect. Yeah. Yeah, fine, find it. Insects form the largest group of animals living on the earth. So yes, now I think you also sure that this is the correct option. Yeah, insect is the correct option. From which part of the from from which part do plants take in air? Spiracles. Oh, sorry, it is plant, not it is plant, not insect. For insect it is a spiracle, for plant it is a stomata. The third question is, how many legs do insect have? So mostly 6 it is, so tick on 6. The fourth number question is, what do dragonflies feed on? Mosquito. Okay, now come to the second section. Name the animal it feed on nectar. So butterflies, bees, moth. Okay, right, butterflies. Okay, the second question is, it eats only plant. So plant eater animals called herbivores. Herbivores. You should learn the spelling also. Third number question is, it eats only other animals. So flesh eater, mutton eaters animals are called carnivores. Carnivores. The fourth number question is it's both plants and animals, that is known as omnivores. Omnivores. You should learn the spelling also. Okay. Fifth number question is it is an animal with a sticky tongue. Sticky tongue, frog. Okay. Okay, now I have to erase this all to make you explain the third number section question. Uh-oh. Okay. The third section question is match the following. Hummingbird. So hummingbird have straw-like beak. Chakan. It has broad, strong and long beak. Long beak. Ostrich. Ostrich have long and strong feet. Duck have webbed feet. Eagle. Eagle feet with talons. Okay. Do as directed. Draw leaf veins. Okay. So you can draw veins. Okay. You are more better than me in drawing, so you can do by yourself. Okay, draw fibrous root. I have already taught you two types of root. One was tap root and second here it is fibrous root. And what is the difference between that? In tap root there is the main root, okay, and that so many hairy like structure it is coming out, okay, and in fibrous root no main root is there only, okay, all hairy like a structure you can show here. So that is fibrous root that you can draw, okay, better than me. So I think now no more pages here. I think now you can complete this all exercise by yourself. So watch it, get benefit. So children, bye bye and take care of yourself.